How to add music to a Facebook post. Let's get started by opening the Facebook app. Now tap on What's on Your Mind. And here from the list of categories below, tap on Photo/Video. From your gallery, pick the photo that you want to post. Now you can cross this Choose Effect option. And in here, you're going to find Edit option. So tap on it. And now over here, you want to tap on the second icon, which is the music icon. And from here, there is a list of songs that you can choose from. You can see there is trending songs and also different genres of songs. You can also search it manually like this. Now, when you find the song that you want to add, simply tap on it to add the song. Now over here at the bottom, you can also swipe this to decide where the song will begin. If you want to display the lyrics, you can also choose the font of that lyrics in this way. There's also option to simply add it like this, and then you can change the layout to display just the name of the song. After customizing everything, you can tap on Done, and now you can drag this anywhere or also resize it. So after this, tap on Done. You can also do additional stuff like add captions or add filters. Once everything looks good, you can simply post your photo. And now after it has been posted, you will find that the song is playing in the background of your post. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.